Racing just is started. We have entry number 3, Windy Windbreak, weak letter start, Magnolias Classic, rushing about the outside, Safety's Gold, Zalin Lahi, Boss G, Sweet Lorky comes next, Moralia, then comes Europa, Zingazong, Wonderlab, running by the rail, King Eagle, then comes Alessis Touch, who's racing second last, while Calibato Kid is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader, and as they swing down the back, we have Magnolia's Classic, Windy Wind is running by the rail, a length and a half further back in third, comes Safety's Gold, Salin Lahi, Boss G is watching in tip, then comes Moralia, Europa comes next, Wonderlab, then down inside is King Eagle, Sweet Lork in between horses, sing a song, then comes Alessi Touch, while Calibato Kid is still racing in 13th. And at the far turn, we have Safety's Gold, and here comes Boss G, slowly but surely now trying to get closer and stronger now at the outside. We have Safety's Gold, Boss G moves up now at the outside to take the lead. We have Boss G by our length and a half. Safety's Gold drops back in second, moving up now at the outside. Europa, Windy Wind, then down on the inside, Moralia, Wonderlab. Last 100 meters, we have Boss G by about 3 lengths over entry number 11, Safety's Gold, moving up, Europa, Wonderlab, and finally Boss G. The second is Safety's Gold, 13 close.
Okay.